Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Casey with Giant Killer. I've got an awesome marketing tip for you today. Slime. Slime is extremely popular on the internet. For whatever reason, people enjoy watching people make slime, run it through their fingers, the creative colors, all that kind of stuff. People like it. So as a small business owner, slime is the perfect opportunity to get your hands dirty and promote your products. What I'm going to show you as an example is how we would make slime for our business. The recipe for slime is pretty simple, but you're able to get creative to be able to insert kind of like your products into it, incorporate them into the design of the slime. They have to buy your products in order to make the slime recipe, so it's like a win-win. You're making money, you're making slime, you're getting views, you're getting shares, you're getting likes, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to show you how we would do it here. We're a web design company. If you're a sandwich company, you could put, a sandwich, you could do sandwich slime, put pieces of your deli meat in there, like make a Reuben slime, a bologna sandwich slime, fried bologna sandwich. That sounds really good. We're gonna go ahead, I've got all the materials right here, and I'm gonna show you how to make slime and how you can get creative with it with your business. Okay, where do we start with?
A quarter cup of hot water.
I think we already got that in there.
Oh, you already got that done? Dang.
That's
Okay.
what I knew.
A quarter cup of glue.
Is 7.625 ounces a quarter cup?
Sure.
And this is also too where you can have fun pouring the glue into water, because this seems really exciting to me. That's probably about right. Got liquid starcher here, Stay Flow. Sounds like a laxative. Good enough.
Awesome. Now you need some food coloring. Do you have some blue food coloring for
We have some dark blue
Giant Killer?
for Giant Killer. This is also too where you can incorporate your stuff. Now, should we insert in our stuff as well?
Oh yeah, I think we should insert some other things in.
So this is where you get creative here at this point. You've got your basic stuff here to make to make it. This kind of stuff to represent your company to put into your slime recipe. So we're going to start off with about 7.65 ounces of coffee grinds, because our office runs on coffee. We like to stay energized when we're making our websites. It's just really important for us to stay energized. That way we can make the awesome products that we do. Now next we're going to start with a mobile phone. Now this is an old flip phone, but because all of our products work on any device, we're just going to go ahead and throw that in there. Okay, and then we recently just completed an ebook. Now the best way to represent that is in printed form, so we're going to go ahead and just incorporate that into our slime mixture. And this is where, oh, I forgot the glitter. You always got to top it off with glitter. Perfect. All right, now this is where you just mix it together. I'll scoot it up so you can see a little bit better. You just mix it together, and then look at that. Did you look at that? Look how amazing our GK slime came out. Actually, I think it's missing a little bit more glitter. Look at that. That's great. So, yeah, get fun with it. Get fun with your slime, your business slime. Start posting it. Look. He's got some slime. You had some fun. How much marketing's fun nowadays? Now it's fun. You just made yourself GK slime, or your business slime, sandwich shop slime, incorporating all of your products, the mobile phone, the ebook, coffee, and it turned out to be a great product. So get out there, start making your slime, and have some fun and make some money. Get some likes. Comment down below what your favorite slime recipe is. Ours is the best. Go ahead and start trying the GK slime recipe. We'll put it in the description below, so you can start making your GK slime and go from there. I have to look it up. Pause.